Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you. How are you all doing today? Oh, that's great. I'm Hanjala Khan. I'm from Ghasera. I have done 9th standard. Now I'm student of 10th standard at G++ Ghasera in Haryana. Today I'm on top of the world to stand up the days before a wonderful audience, and I'm deeply indebted to Alif International School and Salman sir for providing us a workshop on personality development and communication skills. Today I'm going to talk about an interesting topic, that is self-confidence. And I hope you will listen to me carefully. What is self-confidence? Self-confidence means belief in oneself. To do any work, it's very important for a person to believe in himself. Because of self-confidence, we can get success in any field. It is the biggest asset of success. Suppose that you want to become an actor. First of all, you will have to believe in yourself that you can become an actor. Then others will believe in you. Self-confidence is more important than hard work. Because a person who has self-confidence, success kisses the feet of that person. In every field, people like that, who is full of faith and is capable of doing the given work. Self-confidence is very important for every person. A person should not lose his self-confidence under any circumstances. And I think success is a vehicle which moves on a wheel called hard work. But the journey is impossible without fuel called self-confidence. Thanks a lot for your attention. Have a great day.